So today I'm doing a test. This is a sample of Haynes 25, and Haynes 25 is special. It contains cobalt. So you can confirm that it's Haynes 25 by doing the cobalt test. The test is found in the Detective Lab 1899. First step is to connect the alligator clip, and then I'm using a piece of the 0300. This is the fiber sheet 0300. I use a drop of solution number 7, and with the alloy extractor I'm going for 3 seconds on low. 1, 2, all right, maybe a couple seconds. It's 4 seconds. And you could see right away it's a really nice green colored spot, which is a positive indicator of cobalt content. And it's like a greenish blue color. Thank you for watching.